In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer or wire money from Bank of America to Fidelity, a complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to start by signing in to your Bank of America account. You can do this either through the Bank of America mobile app or by visiting their website at bankofamerica.com. Once you're on the home page, find and tap the Sign In button. You'll need to enter your login credentials, so be sure to have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main account page. Next, navigate to the Transfers section. On the main menu, look for the option that says Transfer Zelle R. Here, you'll want to tap on to From Other Banks, External Transfers. If this is your first time setting up a transfer to Fidelity, you'll need to add your Fidelity account as an external account. So let's get started on that. To add your Fidelity account, tap the button that says Add Account. You'll be prompted to enter some details, specifically Fidelity's routing and account numbers. To find these, simply log into your Fidelity account and head to the Transfers section. Then click on Direct Deposit/Bank Info. Generally, the Fidelity routing number you'll be using is 011100390, which is through the Bank of America New York branch, noted for most Fidelity accounts. After entering the necessary details, you'll move on to verify your newly added external account. Bank of America may send two small deposits to your Fidelity account to ensure the connection is secure and accurate. This process can take about 1 to 2 days, so check your Fidelity transaction history for these deposits. Once you see them, jot down the exact amounts. Then return to your Bank of America account to verify these amounts as prompted. This step is crucial for confirming your account connections, so be sure to complete it. Now you're ready to make the transfer. Go back to the Transfers section and select Between My Accounts, Other Banks. You'll be asked to choose your Bank of America account from which the money will be pulled. This will be the From account. Then select your Fidelity account as the To account where the funds will be deposited. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double check all entered information for accuracy. Once you're ready, choose Submit Transfer. Typically, the money will arrive in your Fidelity account within 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. You've successfully set up and completed a money transfer from Bank of America to Fidelity. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more financial tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.